Hey everybody, I hope you and your families are staying safe and healthy. Like most of you, Lisbon is in quarantine right now, and Union has been closed for almost 3 weeks. So we decided to come down to the shop and shoot some video recipes of our most popular products for you to try at home. The first recipe I'm going to make is our popular ginger ale. It's very easy to make and it's great for your health. As I said before, this recipe is really easy, only 5 ingredients really. You will need 6 lemons. You need to take the peel and the white part. If you don't take the white part, well, it will be a little bit bitter. You need to save also 3 peels like that. It gives it an extra taste and it doesn't keep the acidity too high. You need fresh grated ginger or fresh peeled ginger. And you need 1 liter of water and 300 grams of sugar. Don't worry about the quantities right now because they will be below the video when we finish. Quick tip. So, ginger, if you don't have a good peeler, can be a bit difficult, but no worries. If you have a spoon at home, it's really easy to go in and peel the ginger. It comes out very, very easily. So, this is all you need. Okay, beyond the spoon and the peeler, you'll need some more stuff. Okay, you will need a blender. Doesn't need to be as fancy as this one, any blender will do. You just need to leave it there for a while. You need a funnel. You need a strainer. Okay, it doesn't have to be this huge, but this is a shop, so we do a lot of quantities. And you will need a jar. Any recipient will do, but it's just to strain the ginger ale to then put it into the bowl. Now we're going to throw all the ingredients in. As you can see, we put all the ingredients there, and it's just putting them in. It's not more complicated ways of making it. The lemons, the ginger, the lemon peel. Remember, just take the yellow part, not the white. And 1 liter of water. Okay, so what we do at the shop to keep the juice really, really fresh is that instead of adding 1 liter of water, we do some ice and some water. This allows us to keep the juice really, really fresh. Okay, so we need to measure the quantity of ice. And then I will complete with the water. Okay, so now we need to blend it for 2 minutes, and after that we strain it. Okay, you might have noticed that we stopped the video because we wanted to skip the step of actually blending the pulp. It's really loud, so it's really not worth it. It takes a lot of time. So not only I skip that step, I skip a few more because they are relatively easy. So when you blend everything, you have your strainer, you put everything into the strainer. And pay attention because there's a lot of flavor stuck in the pulp, so you need to push it down and make sure that all that liquid comes out. Okay? After that, you just grab the ginger ale, grab a funnel, and you can use one of these like IKEA bottles. They are cheap and they are actually really good because they cover really well and they maintain the liquids fresh. This lasts around 4 or 5 days, even 6 days in the fridge. So, this is really good and I'm going to have a taste. So, very easy. Grab a glass with ice. You pour more or less 1/3, 1/4, depends on how strong you like it. You top it off with sparkling water. And it's ready to enjoy. Cheers. In this video I showed you how to do this great ginger ale for you and for your kids. And on our next video we'll do the adult version. So do what you need to do below the video, subscribe, like it, and we will go through this quarantine together. See you next time.